Hey, they try to make me look the bad guy. Look. Nah, 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 nah.
Hi, what's up, you guys? It's your girl K Renee, KBRENAE, and we are back at again with another video to the Mind, Body, and Soul podcast. Okay, so on today's episode, I am showing you guys how to promote healthy hair. Okay, using the avocado method, aka the Cardi B method, but it's also the KB method because I add my own tips and tricks. So stay tuned, okay? So as you can see, I have my coconut oil, I have my shea butter oil, I have my biotin oil, I have all my oils, okay, because I have natural hair, I have type 4 hair, aka 4B, probably left 4C, I don't know. So with this treatment, I use avocados, I use some fenugreek powder, I use some aloe vera juice. I just use everything that's good for the hair. So as you can see right now, I am going in with my avocados, and when I bought my avocados, they were kind of hard and kind of firm, so I let them sit overnight for like 2 nights so they can get really soft. And yes, look how I'm scooping it out like butter. Okay, so I just finished carving my first avocado, and I'm gonna make sure I get all of that mushy gushy ushy stuff in there for my hair. Okay, and that's on healthy hair, baby. Okay, this is about to be a hot ass summer, and I feel it. It's about to be really, really hot. And I'm gonna be wearing majority of my natural hair because, you know, I come alive in the summertime. So right now, I'm just going in with my avocado, and I'm just making sure I get every little bits and tits and lits of it into my blender cup. This was a cheap little blender I bought. I was so happy. I got it for $10 at Wally World, and I was really excited because like it works so good. It worked just like a Ninja or what is that called? It's another little blender thing. I can't think of it right now, but y'all know what I'm talking about. It worked just like that. A NutriBullet, that's what it's called. It worked really, really good, and it was only $10 freaking dollars. And that's on who? Saving money. So yes, I'm just going into them avocados, and I'm just making sure I get all them avocados. And that's on who getting them avocados. Let me stop. But yes, so I'm showing you guys. Look how pretty avocado. I feel like the aesthetic is really pretty and pleasing, but the taste of it is disgusting. It's disgusting. Me personally, I do not like avocados to eat, but I love it on my hair. My hair loves to eat it. Okay. So yes, I seen this trend going on. Cardi B first posted it, and I've been using avocado as a mask. So when I seen how she did hers versus how I did mine, I'm like, I loved it because see, I didn't put mayonnaise in my avocado mask when I was doing it in the past. I just did avocado, aloe vera juice, and like I did an egg. But when I seen hers, you know, she added extra oils for the hair. You know, oils are aiding for sealants, so you want to put your oils in there. I use it as a pre-poo or just put it in my mask. I just love me some oil, and that's on loving me some oil, okay? So I seen her, she added some mayonnaise, some oil. She also added some honey. So I didn't add honey in this one. I substituted my honey for my leave-in conditioner. My leave-in conditioner already has honey, so I didn't use any honey. But with this one, I use fenugreek powder. And fenugreek powder is a really good source if you want to grow your hair. Normally you can get the fenugreek seeds, but I got the fenugreek powder because I just love things, you know, to work instantly. So I just feel like the powder, in my opinion, will work faster than me sitting there and using the seeds. I have to soak the seeds overnight, you know, just being too extra. So I just got me some powder. So as you can see, I just put my egg in there. Now I'm going in with my oils. This is a combination of coconut oil, and I have some shea butter that I melted all together. And I'm pouring it into my blender cup, and I'm trying to smush it down much as possible because my blender cup was like overfilling. And I didn't want none of those good products to waste. So I'm just gonna blend up what I already have, and then you can see later on in the video I'm going to add the rest of my ingredients. So yes. And yes, y'all, don't be all in my business. You know, talk about why she call them Caprijo bottles. First off, you my business, don't do that. Those bottles are for, like, let's say I get invited to like an event or a family function or anywhere. I don't like to show up empty-handed. I'm just one of the people where like I'm gonna bring something. So you know, if it's BYOB, I'm bringing my BYOB. Bring your own bottle, okay? So yes, you guys, I'm going in with my organic fenugreek powder, and I'm putting some more because again, baby, we want hair growth, okay? And I normally put 2 teaspoons, but it's all about the person, honestly. You don't have to put 2 teaspoons. You could put 50 if you want to, and you could also put 1 teaspoon. It's all what your hair loves and what you love to do, you know? You do what works for your hair, and that's what I love about masks like this. You know, you do it to your liking. It's no really right or wrong way, because with all these good ingredients, they all have great factors for the hair. And even like, not even with the hair, like example with biotin. Biotin is good for the skin and the hair, you know what I'm saying? It's good for your nails. It's good for, it's just good properties and good factors. You're gonna get everything you need. So yes, I'm going back in with the blender, and I'm gonna continue to parade that down. I didn't want it watery, and I didn't want it too thick, so I kind of, you know, put some aloe vera juice, and a little bit though, because I wanted it to be a nice paste, a nice mask. And with this, you can use banana, you could put honey, you know, you can put whatever you want to put, but I forgot to add the bananas after the fact. So I'm like, you know what, I'm gonna do bananas next time. But this is the mixture. This was a quick and easy video. If you want me to do an in-depth video of me putting the mask on my hair, let me know. But this was just a quick video showing you guys how I make my at-home hair mask, aka you can call it the Cardi B mask, but this is the KB mask because this song period. This is the KB mask. And again, you guys, y'all need to like, comment, and subscribe, because you know, I'm putting y'all on. I'm putting y'all, this is free game. Because if you know, being natural is very expensive, you know, and people who are not natural, they may not know that, but when you're natural, it's very expensive. So I feel like with me, I'm going to also buy my products, but I'm also going to make a lot of my products at home. And I love home remedies. That's just something about me. I love to, you know, DIYs and do it yourselves and do home remedies. I feel like I just love it. And I think one thing I love about it is you find out so much stuff about yourself, and you also find out so much stuff. You like, hey, I'm spending money on all this stuff, and I could be making it home. So yes, that's how it look. And look, oh my God, look how smooth it is. Yes, come through for the healthy hair. Okay, let's go. I just love it. And this is the perfect consistency. I love the texture. It just came out perfect. I just never felt to like amaze myself. I just love it. You know, look at it. It's so satisfying. I kind of could see why the kids was going through crackhead phases with the slime, because it really is satisfying. Not the slime, but you know, like making things. And you know, ooh, I'm just excited. I'm just staring in admiration because I just love it. I know my hair loves it. My hair loves it so much. So now for my finishing touches, I'm going to add some biotin oil, you know, pro growth hair oil, okay? And I got this oil from Marshall's. You can find it at TJ Maxx. You can also find it at Ross's, or you can order it from Amazon. But this is what I found out. On Amazon, it's way higher. I paid like $3 for this at Marshall's, and on Amazon, I seen it was like $12. You know, I like getting my deals or whatever, because I love to shop. Like, if you know me, you know I love to shop, and I love to get nice things for my hair. Like, that's one thing about me. My hair is so bougie. Like, I can't just put anything in her. She be needing the most. Like, girl, you're breaking my pockets. So that's the consistency. You can add whatever oil you want to add on. And also with the mask, you can leave it on overnight, or you can leave it on a 30-minute. You can put you on a plastic cap. If you don't have a plastic cap, for my ghetto girls, you can use a grocery bag, okay? And for my bougie girls, you can use hair dryer. So like, comment, and subscribe, and I'm gonna see you guys next time.